many conversations after the opening, people try to come directly to the business stage. However, in most of the professional conversations, this is not considered appropriate. Usually, from opening, we should move to feed forward stage. At the feed forward stage, we try to make a departure from the opening and we try to indicate to the other people, other party, that now we are moving to the main business stage. Sometimes the feed forward stage can be very brief. For instance, it can be an apology or what we call as pseudo apology. So we might say, I'm sorry to bother you, or sometimes a little bit more formal, I won't take much of your time. This won't take a long time. These are called pseudo apologies. However, sometimes if the main goal of the business is very clear, then we might try to directly come to the point at the feed forward stage. And we might say, actually I wanted to talk to you about some issues at customer support. This is also a feed forward stage, slightly more formal, slightly more elaborate. At other stages, the feed forward stage actually also indicates how long the meeting might last, how long it will take for both parties to come to an agreement or to the business stage. And so it might say, this may not be a very long meeting because we have just 2 or 3 issues to discuss. Or it might be indicated, I hope we can finish it earlier today because we have quite a lot to discuss. So these are the 3 angles in which the feed forward stage can be handled, through pseudo apologies, or through directly coming to the main business, or by indicating how long the business will.